Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
Is the highest ever in the history of Indian Railways. 6,636 crore rupees are going to be spent in the year 2021-22 in West Bengal. In fact, it is even 26% more than last year and the highest ever in its history. I would once again through you urge Mamta Didi and the government of West Bengal to give us availability of land so that all those projects which were announced in so many years can be speeded up and implemented. I would like to assure the people of West Bengal through you that there will be no shortage of funds at all for any project in West Bengal if land is available and local issues are resolved.